Hi folks, to do that growl that's on the Harmonica Blues harp demo video. It sounds like this. Sounds like that. Well, it's really simple. Okay, so I'm taking holes 3 and 4 just on a C harp, holes 3 and 4, and I basically breathe in. And that's it. Got to add a little bit of maybe some stressed bending to it. You can do it on other holes. That's 4 and 5. What's actually happening here is you've got 2 holes next to each other and they produce a third note, well actually loads of notes, to do with the harmonics of the thing. So whenever you play 2 notes together on a harmonica, you get lots of very clear harmonics on top of it and below it. And they're known as difference tones and addition tones, I think. So for example, if I play hole 8 and 9 together, only 8 and 9, do-da, do-da, you hear that, that's the difference tone. Really, that has no business being there, because what you're playing is, and you're hearing, so it's a third note, a ghost note, a phantom note. But it's purely a calculation of the harmonics. If you subtract one frequency from the other, you get the third one. And there's lots more if you can hear them. Let's do that same thing on 7 and 8. Can you hear the low notes going up and down? Sound like a fire engine or something? And of course, if you bend the notes, then this difference tone changes. See if I can do that on here. What have we got? 7 and 8. So if I breathe in and have a breathe out and bend 8 down a bit, let's try that on a higher one. It's just going to be a little bit painful on the ears, perhaps. Can you hear it? Some people use it. Howard Levy uses that. He'll come in on the note slightly bent, so the difference tone is lower, and it'll gradually come up to pitch, up to tonic. It's very tricky to do that. So taking it down, this is now going to be 5 and 6. So now the difference tone, the low note, has become so low that you can't really detect it as a note. It appears more to be a growl, as your man said. And lower down, the actual notes you're playing are Can you hear the difference tone bending as I bend those notes? And of course on different harmonicas it's going to sound different again. Here's an A. So I'm blow bending, the 9 is bending, and it's altering the relationship between the 2 notes, therefore the frequency, therefore the pitch comes up of the difference tone. Does that make any sense? Pitch goes down on the difference tone, doesn't it? That's what I should have said. And then on the lower notes, 3 and 4, 4 and 5. So there you go. That's what the growl is all about. Hope that helps. Any more? Come back to me.